In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Google Forms to my Shopify store. By the end, you'll have a live form embedded right on your storefront or any page you choose, so visitors can submit information without ever leaving your site. We'll keep it simple and follow a clean path from Google Forms to Shopify. First, head over to Google Forms in your web browser and sign into your account. This is where your forms live. If you already have a form ready to go, maybe a contact form, survey, or order request, you're set. If not, just make sure the form you want to use is created and saved so you can quickly access it. On the Google Forms home screen, look for the Recent Forms section, find the form you want to embed and click it to open the editor. Opening it from the recent area is the fastest way to get to the right place, and it ensures you're working with the latest version of your form. With your form open, look to the top right of the editor for the 3 vertical dots. This is the More menu. Click it to reveal additional options. This is where you'll access the embed option you need to place the form on your Shopify site. Choose Embed HTML. A panel will appear with a short snippet of code. This is an iframe that displays your form on other websites. You'll also see a preview so you know what it will look like. The default size settings work well for most themes, so you don't need to change anything here unless you have a very specific layout in mind. Next, click Copy. That grabs the entire embed code and places it on your clipboard. You now have the exact code you'll use to show the form inside your store's content. Keep that code handy since we're about to paste it into Shopify. Now open your Shopify store's admin and go to the place where you want the form to appear. This could be a page, a blog post, a product description, or a section that supports custom HTML. In the content editor, switch to the HTML view, often shown with a code icon or the characters angle bracket / angle bracket, and paste the code you copied from Google Forms. Position it exactly where you want the form to show within your content. That's it. Your Google form will load directly on the page, and all submissions will flow into your form's responses just like they normally would. You've successfully embedded a Google form into your Shopify store with a quick, reliable workflow.